first cherry picking? Oh, look at it. Wow. There you go. Whoa, very good. Give to Papa. Give to Papa. Give to Papa. Here, 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 here. Kring, give to Papa. Kring, Kring.
You can sit down. Let's sit next to her.
Ganito na pala ang mag-vlog ngayon. Kailangan yung voice over ay gumegege kahit hindi mo bagay. Kaya subukan natin. Ngayon ay May 27, 2024 at nag-drive kami 10 minutes from our house to Brentwood, California. There are a lot of cherry picking places with free parking. O ito na pala ang aming little girl. She's 17 months ngayon at ito ang kanyang first cherry picking day. Ang ganda. Siyempre ano ko yan? Ayan po, naglalakad na po siya. Kasama po namin pala ang aming mga kaibigan, sina Mark, Leia at Nathan. At dito po sa entrance, makikita nyo ang maraming mga tao na nakapila na maaga pa. Mga alas 9 ng umaga ay nakapila na sila. Dito po ay wala pong entrance fee. Kaya lang po, babayaran nyo po kung ano ang inyong pinik. Yan dito, bibigyan kayo ng mga bag or plastic. Don't forget to bring water just in case you get thirsty. And here are the instruction by our little park ranger. But most of the time po, hindi naman sumusunod yung mga tao sa mga rules. So let's go! Alright, are you ready for your first cherry picking, Kring? Huh? Yeah, you ready? You excited? Okay. Here your cherry pick. Come on. Cherry eating. This one, this one. Grab it, grab it. Yay! Hey, one more. One more. Oh, give it to Papa na. Now this one we need to eat. Do here. We'll do cherry eating, anak. We got hungry. Here. It's free. We will just do cherry eating here. We won't buy.
More cherries.
Grab more cherries, anak.
Yeah. Yeah. Thank you.
Wow.
Give them to mommy.
No. Then you will feed the gopher, anak. Where's the gopher? Where is it? Oh, you're so very nice. Let's wait for the gopher, okay? Here. Yeah, put it there. Put it here.
I think it's full.
On the hole. Go ahead. Just throw it away. Sige, loves.
Okay.
Oh, there you go.
She's just
Yeah.
putting the cherries in.
Lapit mo yan, ah. Yes. Oh. Oh. Yes, oo. Pabarame na. Pabarame kapampangan niya ini. Kaya mangiyo. Anak ko. Yes. You're feeding the gopher, anak? Oh, sige. Pakanan mo na yung maranap na yung gopher mo. Bilis. Ayan. Sige. Pakanan mo.
You can sit down. Let's sit next to her.
Yes, you're feeding the gopher, anak. Yeah. Gopher has diabetes. Yeah. Papa? No. Okay, feed the gopher, anak. Feed the gopher. Feed the gopher.
Sit down because you keep moving.
Yeah. You like the Tara, let's go.
Let's go home.
Bye-bye.
She said, oh, we're going home.
We'll be back. We'll be back. Let's go.
Hold her hand. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye daw.